Are you struggling with erectile dysfunction? You're not alone. Millions face this issue. But guess what? There's hope. Today, we're unveiling 4 powerful exercises that can help improve your erectile function significantly. Stick around to learn how. Erectile dysfunction, or ED, affects many men. It can stem from various causes: stress, anxiety, health problems, and even lifestyle choices. Thankfully, research shows that a few simple exercises can provide a natural remedy. Let's dive into these effective workouts. The first exercise is called Kegel exercises. Kegels strengthen your pelvic floor muscles. These muscles support your bladder and play a vital role during sex. To perform a Kegel, find your pelvic floor muscles. You can do this by stopping urination midstream. Once identified, squeeze these muscles for 5 seconds. Then, relax for 5 seconds. Repeat 10 to 20 times. Aim for 3 sets a day. Kegel exercises are discreet and can be done anywhere. They help improve blood flow to the penis, which is essential for stronger erections. Next, we have aerobic exercises. Think jogging, swimming, or cycling. These activities increase your heart rate and improve circulation. Stronger circulation enhances blood flow throughout your body, including the penis. Aim for at least 30 minutes of aerobic exercise 3 to 5 times a week. Start slow if you're new to exercising. Simple walking can lead to improvement. Gradually, increase intensity as you get more comfortable. The third exercise on our list is the bridge. This effective workout engages your glutes, back, and pelvic muscles. Plus, it's straightforward to perform. To do a bridge, lie on your back with your knees bent. Keep your feet flat on the floor, hip width apart. Slowly lift your hips towards the ceiling. Hold for a few seconds, then lower back down. Repeat this for 10 to 15 times, rest, then do another set. Bridges help strengthen pelvic muscles and improve blood flow, contributing to better erections. Finally, let's talk about yoga. Yoga promotes relaxation and decreases stress. Stress can be a significant factor in erectile dysfunction. Joining a yoga class can enhance flexibility and boost your overall well-being. It also helps you connect with your body and improve self-confidence. This can positively impact your sexual health. Even simple poses like the downward dog or child's pose can reduce tension. Try incorporating yoga into your routine at least once a week. Now, imagine a scenario. You start incorporating these exercises into your daily routine. You feel stronger, more energetic, and less stressed. Over weeks, you'll notice those little improvements in your erections. A friend of yours, Jim, is in a similar situation. He struggled with ED for years. With the help of these exercises, he built a routine that improved his confidence and performance. His experience can be yours too. Regularly practicing these exercises can lead to 95% improvement in erectile dysfunction for many men. So, what did we learn today? Kegel exercises strengthen your pelvic floor. Aerobic workouts enhance circulation. Bridges boost pelvic strength, and yoga helps reduce stress. All these exercises are simple but effective. Consistency is key. Incorporate these moves into your life and see the difference. Remember, every small step counts. Now's the time to take action. Start with one exercise today. Commit to a healthier lifestyle and improve your sexual health. Share this video with someone who may benefit. Let's spread the word about these natural remedies for erectile dysfunction. Together, we can overcome ED and enjoy more fulfilling lives. Thank you for watching.